Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cincoze DA-1200 and DV-1100 compact embedded computers. So friend, with the latest performance boost, it will likely remain a top choice, and the DV-1100 supports its latest 13th or 12th generation Intel Core CPUs and friend, providing powerful performance in a streamlined configuration and maximizing cost effectiveness. It is recommended for industrial sites with high performance computing needs but limited installation space, such as smart manufacturing, machine vision, and railway computing. And friend, the DA-1200 industrial embedded computer has a 12-watt ultra-low power consumption Intel Alder Lake-N processor and support 16 GB DDR5 4800 MHz memory equipped with two M.2 Key B slots convertible to M.2 Key with an adapter card. The DA-1200 can cover all wireless communication needs, 5G, Wi-Fi, GNSS, etc., and caters to storage options such as 2.5-inch SSD, half slim SSD, and M.2 SSD. The palm size DA-1200 is only 150 by 105 by 52.3 mm, packing the maximum application flexibility into a tiny package. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.